stop. Okay, so question 5 then. So we want to work out the orbital speed. We work that out using the formula the square root of g times n divided by r, and that gives us the speed in meters per second. Okay. First thing we need to do for part A is work out the value of r. The value of r comes from doing the radius of the Earth plus the height of the satellite above the Earth. It's given by this formula in the question. So the radius of the Earth is 6.38 times 10 to the power of 6 meters. And I want to add on the height. Now the height just now is in kilometers. I need that in meters. So I'm going to times it by 1,000. Has anyone spotted my mistake there? I do that all the time. Put numbers round the wrong way. So it's 32376,000 meters. So adding that on, we get 3, doing it again, 6.38 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 32376,000 38756. And is it 3 zeros? 3 zeros. So that is my value of r in meters. So that's part A. Okay. Part B, I want to calculate the speed of the satellite at this height. My formula is here. I'm just going to put this on a new page so I've got some more space. And we need the height that we just worked out. Okay, so that's everything I need. I want to work out this orbital speed then. So my formula is the square root of g times m divided by r. We're going to sub into the formula. And we're not going to skip this line because this gets us a mark. If you hit a wrong button on your calculator or something, you would lose this mark along with the next one, so make sure you put this line in. Extend my square root signs, it's definitely going over everything. Divided by 38756,000. Right, your second mark comes from working out the bit under the square root sign. So we'll do that bit separately. Calculator, doing 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 times 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24, and I'm going to divide by 38756,000 10291 722.57. That gets you your second mark. Working out this number here, and for the third mark, we're going to put that in square root it. Square root 3208.07 meters per second. Okay. You don't get a mark for your units in this, so if you miss out the units, it doesn't matter. I'm putting them in because part C is asking me to change that into kilometres. It means meters per second, so I can write it as ms to the -1 or m over s like that, or m dash s. It's just the way the units can be written. C then asks me to change my meters per second into kilometers per hour. So looking at the two units differently, I want to go from meters to kilometers. Let's go from meters to kilometers. I divide by 1,000. So I want to divide that by 1,000 to go from seconds to hours. I'm going to put my minutes in between. Times by 60, times by 60, so times by 3,600. Divide by 1,000 times 3,600. Oh, I did that in the wrong calculator. Oh, we should be okay, it's just dividing in times in. So we get 11,549.052 kilometres per hour. And I can't work out how to stop the recording. Oh, there we go.